Well, it's the second day of deer hunting. We're sitting in expanded zone right now, but it's already starting to turn out to be an awful year. The first day we get up to sit in our food plots, and someone was parked maybe 15 yards from the food plot, walked all through them, was talking, saying that he doesn't care, he had permission to be up in there, and just ruined that side. So I'm hunting on the other side of the mountain, and there's a guy that's sitting maybe 75 yards from my tree stand, just up there. But it's too late, I can't move anywhere else. I got up here a little later than I should have, but you know, you gotta take it as it comes, so I'm gonna set this sit and probably gonna hunt a different area for the rest of the season because this guy he's letting all his buddies come up in here and I guess just sitting all over our stands. I mean, not even 75 yards. I can almost see him. He's just past those trees. But what are you gonna do? Be funny if I should have got one tonight. But it just kind of stinks that these stands that we've had up here for 15 or 20 years, it just don't mean nothing. I mean, there's just no respect among the hunters anymore. They'll go sit right next to your food plot that you've been tending for years. But I'll get off my rant for now. Hopefully a deer comes in and I can get one under the belt for this year. In about 2 weeks, I'm going to be going on a moose hunt. So hopefully we get some real cool video of that. I'm going to try to get it with a bow, but we'll see how it goes. Alright. There's a deer, probably 45 yards up in that little brush up there. Fading and I can't tell what it is. It has a great big body. Nice doe. It's a little bit too much up in all that brush if you can't quite get a shot. He come out directly behind me. My dad just sent me a picture of an arrow in the ground, so I think he's got one too. I'm just gonna take my time, stay calm. Oh no, there it is. I don't know if it's gonna give me a good shot. It's quite a little ways away. Easy moving. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I'm gonna have to make a weird shot. I could kill it right now, but I'm not going to. I could shoot it right in the neck, but I only got about a 2-inch hole, and it's coming right at me. There it is. You guys see it? I'm gonna shoot it like 20 yards. Just gonna take my time. Oh, it's just in a thick crab hole. Oh, it's just right there. It's killing me. I gotta turn this stand around. My heart is pounding right out of my chest. It almost looked like a buck, though. I thought I saw antlers on its head, but I'm not sure. There it is. I can't get an open hole. I can't see its head. It's just perfectly sitting behind that big oak. Another 5-10 feet, and it's dead. I can't tell what it is. Uh-oh, I think it's a buck. Yep. Big old spike horn. I think. Or maybe a little little tiny 4-pointer. I'll tell you what. If it gives me a good shot, I'll kill it. If not, I ain't gonna poke it, I'll save my tag. Oh no, I mean, it would be dead right now. It could be. I'm gonna kill it right now. Oh, that thing's dead. He done. He done. Yep, he done. He just crashed up there. I hope you guys could see that like I could, but that was some cool video. Okay, I'm gonna make sure you guys are on. Well, whoops, I just got out of the stand. This light's almost dead, but I got to where I'm pretty sure I hit him. I see a little scuff mark there, so I stopped and turned the camera on. I'll do a little blood trailing. Hopefully, I don't know if I hit him real high or not. Ooh, there's blood right there, though. Oh, yeah, okay. So I probably should hit him right here. There's blood there. Yeah, that deer ain't making it. You got bubbles all in it. Alright. I mean, that's instant blood. I'm using... Oh, man, look at that up there. Yeah, that deer's... There's no way he made it far. I'm using a Grim Reaper broadhead. Usually, I use a Carney 4. But today I decided to put in a 2-inch, 3-bladed 2-inch called a Whitetail Special. And I mean, to me it looks like it did a plenty good job. I mean, there's just blood everywhere. Just spraying, oh yeah, that's all lung blood. Man, that's an insane amount of blood. That's a fun blood trail, that's what I gotta say. You can run right through the woods. I'm gonna take my time, really. But yeah, I mean, I gave the deer probably close to an hour to expire. Wow. And I mean, it was not lollygagging through the woods. It was hammering. I'm thinking any time here. I mean, there's all kinds of blood on the leaves and everything. I mean, just spraying, and this deer is hammering through the woods. Hoping I can see a little light shining, but I guess not. It did something right there. I just turned to the right a little bit. Turn to the right just a little bit. Still just massive quantities of blood. This is some of my least favorite stuff to track in. There's all kinds of blood because it sits up under all this grass. Makes it a little difficult. That is crazy. The blood just spraying. I mean, spraying. Running right towards the guy that sat right up on my stand. I mean, he probably watched that deer go down. I heard it go down, so it's not a bad sign. Man, I mean, that's crazy. I'll definitely be using a Whitetail Special again. That deer's where I see it. I can see the little knock up through the woods. We'll keep tracking it a little bit. That guy's right there. I ain't even gonna go on the blood trail. I'm just gonna walk right to it. There she is. Yeah. Man, I don't know. He's dead running. There he is, right there. He'll come walk to me. Alrighty, well, there's my deer. I will be back after this guy comes up and talks. I don't want to record him. I feel like that'd be a little rude. Well, a lot of people are going to make fun of me for that deer, but, you know, I don't like hunting expanded, and it was just so cool to shoot. I wanted this deer so bad. I prayed for it, and I mean, it weren't 20 minutes after that, come walking down through. And we've been needing to fill the freezer a little bit, but there she is. Or I guess just a little, yeah, just a little 4-pointer. But he's gonna taste some good. Probably gonna have some tenderloin tonight. I'm gonna get this one up and see if my dad got his. Alright. He didn't get his on video, he forgot his GoPro, but at least we can see what it was. Well, we were having a little bit of trouble finding some blood with his deer. He shot it up high and the front shoulder went down through its guts. And we said, we're not even gonna figure out. We went and called the dog lady. This dog's pretty special. He's found a lot of deer for us.
Yep.
So, shouldn't be too long before we find it.
You'll see the stone wall.
It's just so neat watching her work with the dog.
I don't.
Knows him so well. Right here we walked a little bit too much. The dog might have a little issue with straightening it out, but I ain't nervous about it. Whoa, don't fall down.
Right here. I know it's going to start through that opening and stone wall, but we just did not find blood. We didn't go. I stood here. Maybe not. Did it turn? Son of a...
Yeah, it did. It must have something. Yeah, this is where we got caught up last time.
It's going to be dead right here, isn't it?
I never took it. There's no way it jumped over that stone wall.
It did.
Shot in the guts. Wow. I'll be.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I bet. Stood here for half an hour looking.
They lay right where it's headed.
You get him down that paunch, man, don't it make it hard. Probably some crap video. It's so dark out. I think I see it right there, right? No, that's a stick.
It's going to be in these ferns, I guarantee it. Every deer I've ever shot in here has gone running these ferns and died. Damn it.
I can't believe it ran over the stone, it jumped up over that stone wall, then going through that great big open area. But big old smart doe. Probably knows better. Trying to lose you. Yeah.
Son of a gun.
Yeah, we weren't that far off.
No.
That is a big old doe.
That's a big doe.
Holy shit.
But I didn't see any more blood. Did you?
Nope.
Nope.
That's the problem. I guarantee it. Was that easy?
That was great. Thank you.
I just don't like friggin' around.
Oh,
Especially when
man.
it's hot like this.
I
Yeah.
don't think we'd ever found that one.
It was, I can tell you.
Oh, she'd been dead for a while.
Well, yeah, she was dead. She never even laid down once. Yeah.
But she did a 90.
And that's what frigged us up. Look,
Yeah.
look at, I mean, where more do you want to hit them like that when you're up above them?
Yeah,
And it's just so high, it made it hard.
it's great.
Alright, let me mark
Let me
this.
just,
Yeah.
Well, I know it's not what we usually shoot, but it was too cool to pass up. We don't get many doubles,
Shut off, yeah.
but it's just expanded zone, so I don't care too much. Good meat in the freezer, and in about 2 weeks we're going up moose hunting, so that should be pretty cool. Get something quality, but yeah, it's not too bad. It's my first buck and expanded, but this October, get something a little more quality. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.
What?